go first. How about a nice hello? Hello. There you go. A very nice and sweet hello. Now he's going to introduce himself. Can you tell them your name? Amigo. Amigo is his name. Okay, now Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you? So how are you feeling this morning? Good? Wow, excellent. Now not only that, Amigo is also very intelligent. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A perfect 10! Well done, Amigo. Good job. Now this time he's going to impress us even more by counting in Chinese. Could you count in Chinese? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is very good in Chinese. Now not only that, Amigo also loves to sing, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Now the first song is a local Mandarin song entitled Current Line, which means a guest comes to visit. Now Amigo, can you sing for them in Mandarin? Current line, from Indonesia. It's entitled Rasa Sayang, which is feelings of love. This time, Amigo, can you sing Rasa Sayang? Rasa Sayang, Rasa Sayang, lihat lunan saur, sayang, sayang, hey! What a terrific song! Now the last song is an English song, but before he sings, is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? Let's start from the first section. Raise your hands if it's your birthday. 1. Anybody else from the first section? 1, 2, 3. Okay, how about the middle section? 4, 5, 6, 7. Anybody else? 8. Okay, how about the last section, birthday? 9. Wow, all 3 of you, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 12. 13, 14. Okay, so for the 14 of you, I hope I did not miss out on anyone. Amigo, you know what to do. Happy birthday!